Hi, Happy New Year! Today's video is going to be another tea blend video. We are actually going to try and make a raspberry tea because I have a friend who is allergic to rose hips and it is in absolutely everything, including their favorite, which is red raspberry. So I'm going to attempt to make a raspberry tea that nearly matches the exact same flavor of their favorite raspberry tea that they can't have without the rose hips. So come join me on this adventure. We have a 1/3 cup red raspberry leaf and freeze-dried raspberries, a teaspoon of orange peel, lemon balm and lemongrass, and a cup of hibiscus flowers. Now we're just going to mix it all up. I want to get all of it out. And mix it together. I could probably have chopped up the freeze-dried raspberries, but this is just a test to see how it works. That looks nice. My nice teapot here and a tea glass or a teacup for them to try. We'll do a teaspoon. That will equal out to 3 tablespoons, which should be enough. Or we'll do a tablespoon, which equals out to 3. Try it out. I did add a little stevia to the mix. I forgot to say that. Ooh, that's a nice pretty color. All right. That is a very good color. It looks like raspberry. It tastes like raspberry. It could be a little bit stronger. Well, I wonder if that was the amount of tea blend I used to water ratio. But this is a good start for attempting to make a raspberry blend but doesn't have any rose hips in it. I will definitely be playing with this a little bit more, but I think this works. Try it out yourselves if you want, and let me know in the comments below how it works or your opinions. Thank you for watching this video, and may all your side quests be memorable and your main quest be fulfilling. Have a wonderful New Year's.